What's up, YouTube? Just want to go ahead and show this issue I'm having with my radio. So basically what happened was I was driving down the street and out of nowhere it just got really distorted. So basically if I keep the volume pretty low here, it sounds fine, but as soon as I start turning it up, the speakers on this side start cutting in and out, and I'm only getting sound out of this, and it's distorting. So I'm going to turn it back down a little bit. You'll see how much fuller it sounds.
Police had feared rioting. Instead, there were celebrations in Chicago. People carrying signs.
I don't know if anybody else has seen this issue. If you have, can you leave a comment below? Let me know what you did to resolve it. So far, what I did is I pulled the fuses for the radio. So I pulled fuse, I believe it was 6 in the trunk. And I pulled fuse 28 and 26 up front. Left it off for about an hour and plugged everything back in. Held the power button down for 10 seconds. They said that will reset the optical ring, and the issue persists. It's the same issue. So yeah, I don't know if it's a head unit issue or if it's just the amp. If you've seen it before, let me know. I do see there's an amp for sale online on eBay. I'll probably just grab it, and maybe I'll be doing a video soon of how to either replace the head unit and go aftermarket, or how to replace the amp in the trunk. I've been wanting to get a new head unit. I want to get one of those Android big screen units, full screen, but I gotta see what's gonna be the most cost effective here. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video. Please do let me know if you know what is going on in the comments, and that's it. I'll update you guys as soon as I know.